Guys, stop what you're doing. Apple just did the impossible. You know that flagship phone sitting in your pocket right now. Yeah, the one you think is top tier. It's about to look like a relic from the Stone Age. Today, we're looking at the iPhone 18 Pro Max, and calling it a phone feels like an insult. This isn't just a device, it's a portal to the future. Is this Apple's greatest masterpiece, or is it a massive wake-up call to the entire tech industry? Let's find out. Design. First up, the design. This is a complete paradigm shift. Apple has ditched the weight, moving to an aerospace-grade titanium alloy structure. We're talking about a device that weighs in at just 215 grams, that's 30 grams lighter than the previous model. But the real kicker, that rear panel is graphene-integrated glass. It's indestructible, feels premium, and those ergonomic, curved edges. It's arguably the most comfortable iPhone ever built. It feels like it was molded specifically for your hand. Display. Let's talk pixels. You're looking at a stunning 6.9-inch micro-LED display that hits a jaw-dropping 3000 nits of brightness. With a 95.8% screen-to-body ratio, those bezels are basically non-existent. But wait, there's a secret. Look right next to the camera module. That's a new, integrated micro-LED auxiliary display. You get your notifications and live updates without even waking the main screen. It's genius. Camera setup. For the creators out there, the camera setup is pure insanity. We've got a triple 48-megapixel photonic lens array. We're talking professional grade, cinema quality shots even in near pitch black conditions. Plus, Apple has added new haptic power and action buttons on the sides that double as depth map sensors. Your video rendering and photo capture are about to get a serious upgrade. Performance. Under the hood, the beast known as the A20 Pro chip. Built on a 1.4nm architecture, this thing is terrifyingly powerful. We're talking sustained 8K gaming and heavy-duty video rendering without the phone breaking a sweat. Literally, it stays ice cold. Combined with iOS 20, this isn't just fast, it's setting a new benchmark for the entire industry. AI integration and privacy. But power is nothing without intelligence. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is deeply integrated with next-level AI. Its new neural engine learns your editing style and photography habits to polish your shots automatically. And the best part, it's all on device. No cloud processing, no data leaks, your private life stays yours. Battery life. Battery anxiety. Forget about it. Apple has upgraded to enhanced, high-efficiency MagSafe coils that make charging ridiculously fast. With the new battery tech, this phone won't just last the day, it'll likely outlast you. Price and launch date. We're expecting a price point around $1,500, with a launch window set for September 2026. This isn't just a phone, it's a laptop replacement that fits right in your pocket. So, here's the question, are you ready to make the jump to the next level of tech? Or is this overkill? Drop a comment below and let me know. What's the one feature that actually has you hyped?